When I became general overseer, our church was big. Headquarters plus 39 branches in one corner of Nigeria. And then I took 6 of my best friends. I can see 1 or 2 of them here. The rest have gone. And we went to Ilorin. And we prayed for 36 hours, non-stop. When I say non-stop, we'll break for 5 minutes to go to the toilet and then start again. No sleep, nothing, no food. I mean, you can't be praying that kind of prayer and be eating. After the 36 hours of prayer, God spoke, told us several things, some of the things that we are seeing now. And I was happy. I released them, they all came back to their stations. Oh, thank you, Lord. We prayed for 36 hours. We are prayer warriors now. And then I came across the story of a man who prayed for 30 days and 30 nights, non-stop, never slept for 30 nights, day in, day out. I've not been able to catch up with him. He exceeded all my expectations of praying. You can exceed in prayer. And if you can exceed in prayer, if you can just cry unto God and say, I'm not going to let you go, you get to a stage where you will say, all right, get what you want. One of these days, I will show you a spot on this campground. Some of you have heard about it. I've been crying to God, God, empower me. I was minding my own business as a lecturer in the university when you said I should leave everything and follow you. I've done that now. I can't do this work without power, like that young man said. And I remember that night. It was sometime between 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. when I became desperate. And I said to God, it's either you empower me or you take me home. Should be either of the two. That night, he answered. And the whole ground shook. And they felt the shaking as far away as Adeboye when pictures began to drop from the walls. You can exceed expectations in prayer. You can go far, far beyond your colleagues in prayer. You pray that kind of prayer, you will soon exceed in power. You will soon exceed in every other thing. If only you can